Anyway, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't seen you guys in a minute, but today's not about me. As you see the title of the video, man, you know exactly what's about to happen, man. I am finally going to take my car to her first ever car meet. Yes, I said her because, you know, my car is a she, of course. So I haven't been to a car meet myself. It's gonna be my first time. So I just have to take you guys with me to that experience, man. And I do not know what to expect, okay? I do not know what to expect. I might do something crazy, I might not, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. We had to see. But right now it's 5:05. The time was 4 something. And you know, I've never been on time. I love making an entrance, okay? For some reason I love making an entrance. I cannot help it, okay? So I'm trying to take my car to the car wash, you know, wash my baby, make sure she look clean, you know, and stuff like that. And I still gotta wait for my girl to come to, you know. Women's never be on time. We both know that. Yeah, without further ado, man, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm actually on the road going to meet with the other guys and shit like that. So yeah, stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Hey man, what's up, YouTube? We back, you know. Finished washing my car, you know. I'm actually headed over there. I'm gonna just have to come back and come get my girl when she come back. But man, it's a movie outside, feel good. It's wonderful, you know. There's a Widebody Scatpack in front of me right now. I'm the Widebody, you know what I'm saying? Don't biggie, don't biggie, don't crazy. I'm pretty sure. I mean, obviously he's going to the same place, you know. But yeah, man. I used to dream about time like this, man. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I used to dream about time like this, but I'm actually doing it in real life. So it's actually, I feel blessed. You know what I'm saying? I feel blessed. Oh shit! Boy, that car sound nasty. Hold on, first of all, I don't think he's going to the same place I'm going, because I should be here by now. What the fuck going on here? Are we going to the same place, my guy? Let me check the address. Give me a second.
A few moments later.
Bad news. Bad news. The rest of the guys already left because they were so impatient. They couldn't wait for a nigga. Shit, like. So my girl finally got home. Finna go there and pick her up. And I'm finna take that drive going to Daytona. And shit. Oh, there's another Scatpack right there, man. I just love hearing this shit. Yeah, I just love hearing this shit, man. Fuck. But yeah, man, I'm finna go get my girl and shit, you know, so we could take that drive. It's the weekend, man. Everybody bring out their toys, you know. Everybody's bringing out the toys, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you something. You see what I'm saying? It's a movie over there, man. It's a movie today, and there's one right there too. So everybody bring out the toys. But I'm gonna get back to you guys after I pick up my girls and shit, when we actually on the road and meet with the rest of the other guys and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Listen, man, what I tell y'all boys, man, it's a movie, dog. We outside. Yeah, we outside for real. No, he recording me too. I know you ain't, boy. You read my mind. Oh man, life is good, man. Life is good. Yeah, I cannot complain. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back. Like, look at this. Yo, this shit hard, bro. Nah, the chopping jack kinda hard. You know, the Widebody challenge is tough. Like, it's tough. It's tough, no lie. But man, listen, man, we outside and shit, you know, it's no biggie. Just a couple young men living our life, you know. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get to you guys when I pick up my girl, like I said earlier. So yeah. See, this is the type of shit that make me happy, bro. You like that? Ah, huh?
You have it?
Hell yeah, always.
That shit is fucking nice, bro. Bro, that's what's up, bro. That's some nice shit.
Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you.
Y'all got subsidies?
Huh?
You guys got subwoofers?
Yeah, no, we finna head to Daytona and stuff.
Shits are nice, yo.
Thank you, boy. Thank you. Yes, sir. It's a movie out there, like I said. It's a movie out there, like I said, my boy.
I want to find my wife, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, cousin. Yeah, man, it's a movie out there, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just love this shit, you know? I love this shit. I love this. Oh,
Fine, run! That's my run! Ah! Baby, you look good.
Always.
Ready for me?
Yeah, man. I finally pick up my girl, you know what I'm saying? Now we're finna head it over there. Whew. Yeah, you need muscle to drive muscle, like I said. Let me go open the door for my baby, bro. Shit.
Man, looking after you. Pants is sleeping pants.
I know. Hi, girls.
Hey, cousin.
Hey, good.
Yeah. Who's behind you?
Huh?
Who's behind?
I don't know. I just met the guy.
What?
I just met him.
Interesting. So he just followed you here?
Yeah.
Oh, don't
Let me put on the address and shit. I had to make a stop because someone had to
be. Hold my bladder.
Someone had to be, you know.
Triangle.
And I'm not doing behind the wheel.
I left him. Yeah.
Drive. Who's coming?
But my music, bro, turn me up, man.
Pay your rent, I'll pay for it. You know you ain't gotta stay for it. Tonight, I'll stay for it. You know I got a taste for it. I can put you on a flight when you need me. Let you open wide when you sting me. Let me misery me. We touch, you know I love it. You know what to do. No baby, pas écrit, pour les devants on parle pour baby. Moi tout et tout chérie, it be your beauty like a movie. Everybody steady watching, it's how we grooving, how we moving. It's like we matching, connecting, perfecting, sex.
Before he fucked up. Where this nigga number at? Goddamn.
Bro, they call your call on. What the heck?
Your call has been forwarded.
Hey, what you doing about this nigga for?
Oh, he's right now.
I'm too smart, not too smart.
You don't want to get Boy, that $300 ticket was gonna look good on you, boy. See, I'm gonna go do something. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I'm gonna go do.
Tell me, bro.
Oh, man. Oh!
You pass me, but now, no.
Okay. Yeah. She do this. She do this, bro. Ah, she do that shit, boy.
Let me break it down real quick. Let me break it down. You really want to I do it. Bro, I don't even got no license, bro. I do it.
Woo, Lord. I don't know how to feel right now. Scared or proud? I'm kind of both. Kind of both right now. I'm sitting down one butt shit. But I'm proud though. I'm proud. I'm proud.
A few moments later.
Make it.
Again.
No, why would I do
Because to damage your engine, you don't know that?
Says who?
Look at your Nash.
Who's that? I know fat as hell.
Look at your Nash.
So y'all boys drive all the way down here? Y'all drive all the way down here just to come here and sit down in a random parking lot?
Oh no, we're going somewhere else now.
Where y'all about to go?
We're going to I'm just following, bro.
Huh?
A1A.
Well, what's an A1A?
He said there's a park over there.
I'm lost. What they do in A1A? What's in there?
He said there's a park over there that he wants to meet up at. So the leader of the group.
Where's the leader at?
Huh?
Where's the leader?
Oh, he's over there. But we're all getting ready to get up out of here.
Alright, bad. So there's no problem then. Yeah. Everybody living, my boy. Huh? You laughing? Alright, come on, cousin. Get in. What happened?
Come on, get in the car so we can do the video. It's not that's a Chrysler.
That's so long as yes, then
hell
of
no.
course let's still a more
fast, though. Let be fast.
What happened?
There we
Oh shit, that's me.
Oh.
Let's go.
Baby. Come on, they are. Let's go. I can miss this action. It's good for me record.
I got you. What's your bad boy? Dale. Hey, oi, have it. Alright, go ahead, man. Oh, she's move. I know that I said. Hey, that shit nice. Come on, baby. Wait for it.
Only that.
No, I got my personal driver, man. Personal driver in this bit. It's a whole movie in this bit, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, hold yourself, please.
I am, but don't kill me.
You're funny.
Yeah, man, look.
There ain't nobody. Everybody just in their own lane. Nobody know nobody.
Finally make it, man. But that's a lot of cars, bro. The whole car family here. The whole Mopo again.
I don't know where that cord going, but that's how the car family.
Go for that. He probably was there when we come here. But yeah, man.
Oh, you right.
They said if I drove it, I was giving me a heart attack.
Hey,
Bro.
heart attacks. You know I do this.
My heart stopped twice. How many times did you shit on yourself? Tell them. When she was
One
driving.
time, today.
I'm who I am.
What? What?
And only who I am.
Who's this sick of that? Cousin, you are right.
Yes.
You are right. You are right.
You're right. Yes, you're right. You're right.
I do this. I ain't true to this. I ain't even new to this.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I said it wrong. I'm true to this, not new to
First of all, what are we not new to this? Who's
No,
you drive
no.
before?
this. I'm true to this, not new to this. I'm not talking about
That's
the car.
exactly what I'm saying.
Not talking about the car. I'm talking about driving wise. I do this.
Really?
Right or wrong?
Yeah, if you say
Oh, okay. Now what is this one? Now tell me,
Whatever.
baby, run me down each car and what it is. Since you know everything about the car.
Just the same car.
Baby, I asked you to run me down every car so I can know. Good, starting with this one. What is this one?
Man, that's a fat booty ass cat. But nah, it's a whole snake in this bed. It's a whole snake in this bed, man. Look, oh, we taking over for real, boy. But man, yeah, that's what life's about, man. You know what I'm saying? It's no biggie. That's all life's actually about, man. Can you please start touching my ass?
Because you're not sure the wedgie in it. You see people like that don't want you to win, bruh. You do good.
My life is good, man. Let him heal. Mama got that beast on him, man. Yeah, man. It's almost Saturday. No beat. Nah, I'm fucking with you. That's the Saturday. You're so good I can whoop that bitch for real, man. You see my baby? That's a stop sign, man. That's a stop sign. That's a stop sign. That's why people look at it over here, man. I got you, baby. I got it. Yeah. No, it's no biggie. Number Saturday vibe. What? What? Oh, I'm good. Don't you whipping the fuck out that car? Shit, I'm good. Huh? The way you whipping that car, I gotta be good. It's a whole snake in this motherfucker, man. It's a whole snake in this bitch. Go ahead. Yeah? Ooh, my car sounds so good. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm hanging from the fucking roof, bro. I gotta stop living like I got 9 life for real, cause I said this is not a normal Saturday for me, trust me. This is my first time doing this crazy ass shit. But it's a vibe though. If we do it on the first night. They changed your mind. Hold on, baby. That's the same color as my car, bro. Except I got the black hood.
What are they doing?
They're going somewhere else.
I'm confused.
The guy stopped for a video.
Bruh. Oh, yeah. He's the other.
Yeah, it's just. Let him go. Go. You can put it on neutral and do it, babe.
I can't, no, but I'm fine.
What you doing?
It was a gas. It was a reverse cycle.
You put the car in reverse.
Oh, I thought it was in neutral.
Oh my God. My baby put that bitch on reverse. You put that shit on reverse, I'm done. Now, what the hell? What they got going on, bro? What they doing? They just put to the side, don't matter. It's a takeover, babe.
What's a coma?
I said a takeover. You know what a takeover mean? We on the street.
That don't matter, babe. We're not supposed to block traffic.
I know. Like I said, we gotta stop for, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I foot Patrick Ballon bien. Oh, this girl was driving an SS. The camera. Camera, whatever you call it.
Not the butterfly door, babe.
I know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let them know what you want to give, baby. Yeah, let them know. Shut up.
We cannot block no traffic.
Come on. Yeah, let them know. My baby. My baby whooping that bitch, man. Hold on. Yeah, it's a whole takeover in this bitch. we take on that bit, man. Yes, baby, yeah. Oh yeah. Let them know. We. Oh man. Do it one more time. I'm sorry. Hey, yo. Oh.
That thing. The one that was following us.
Oh, he was at home, babe. Where you at?
Right behind you. He literally just got out the car with me.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, y'all was quiet back there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not doing shit. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, they impressed, man. Look at them.
Oh. God damn, that must sound nasty. That's not the popo. That's not the popo. That's not the popo, baby.
We too bad. We